Today I'm gonna show you how to change background color in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is the PNG picture. Then we will go to the project and create a color map. From this option, we will change the color map. From here, we will choose the color. I like a red color. You can change the name here if you want. I will write the red text here. We will move the bottom layer up and the red color map down. See here, the color has changed. We can double click here to change the color again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.